Took the train from Chamonix to Les Houches today using our free visitor guest cards. And Les Houches has more my kind of trails, wide open, pastures, flowers, and lots of lamb chop. You can see we're not alone on this trail today. As a matter of fact, this is part of the Tour du Mont-Blanc. You come down, bonjour, down that side of the mountain, and then begins up this side and crosses over into Italy, works its way through Italy, Switzerland, before heading back to France. And here's a proverbial black sheep, or brown. Parasailers. Out today, I would love to try a tandem, except I am just too old and too chicken. Bonjour, Monsieur Escargot. Ça va? He's not answering me. But he's moving very slowly, almost as slow as we're walking. About another month or so, all these little wild strawberries, the plants all over the place here, will be ripe. You can start stuffing them in your mouth. Beautiful woods. I hope it stays like this. All right, we made it to the top of the La Porian lift. It was really, really chilly up here today. Actually, good weather for hiking. If you were going to pick an area in the Chamonix Valley to ski during the winter time, I would definitely recommend staying at Les Houches, because there have just been chairlifts, T-bars, and beautiful, beautiful runs everywhere you look. Just fantastic. And there's the whole Chamonix Valley down there. We saw mountain bikers going up to that other lift over there. I don't remember if it was called Bellevue or something like that. And just taking, it's almost like a road all the way down. We are on the route, the Tour du Blanc. I think that's the Glacier de Bayonnasse, perhaps.